Hello viewers, without wasting any time, let us open YouTube and search for the channel Yalu Dude. This channel has more than 1 million subscribers and it is generating around $30,000 per month. If we create similar videos, we can also achieve this level of income. This channel mainly focuses on lifestyle and fitness content, and as you can see, it gets massive views. Now let me show you its popular videos. These videos are based on push-ups, workouts, and simple gym routines like pull-ups, planks, and daily fitness challenges. It teaches how to improve your body step by step in a very simple and effective way. This type of content also works as motivation for people who do not exercise or stay active. You can inspire them by showing benefits of walking, healthy eating, and consistency. That is why these videos go viral and get millions of views. Now let me show you their shorts channel called Yalu Dude Shorts. It has over 50,000 subscribers and millions of views, which clearly proves that both long videos and short videos are trending and very powerful in today's time. Now I will show you my own video that I created using completely free tools.
Your limits are in your mind. Push beyond them. I'm ready to work out and achieve a perfect goal.
Workout is important because without workout,
as you can see, the character is very similar and everything is perfectly designed. The quality is impressive and it is made 100% free. I hope you liked my video. Now let us move to the most important step, which is generating the video. First, I will show you the master prompt that I have already created. This master prompt includes scene style, mood, camera, format, duration, and target audience. Everything is already structured in a very professional way. You will find this in the description. Simply download it, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then click Generate and wait for a few seconds. It will automatically generate multiple scenes for you. You will get image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts one by one. It also provides a character lock prompt which you need to use in every scene to maintain consistency. This is very important if you want a professional result. You can review all scenes. They are well-structured, highly engaging, and designed to keep the viewer interested. Now what you need to do is copy all prompts and paste them into a document file, so you can easily convert them into images and videos later. Now without wasting time, let us move to the image generation tool and start creating your video. Okay viewers, so basically you need to open the tool called Flow AI. This tool is very powerful and very useful, especially for beginners. Now simply go to Create and after that click on New Project. Okay viewers, from here, you need to select Nano Banano. I will now paste my first prompt here and click on the Generate option. As you can see, my first image has started generating. You need to have some patience because this is a free tool, so it will take a little time. After a short wait, you can see, oh my god viewers, just boom, you can see my first image. This image looks very stylish and it has been created in a very clean and professional way, which clearly shows that my prompt is very strong and well written. Now what we will do without wasting time, I will start pasting all my prompts one by one from second to the last. Because after pasting all prompts, I want to show you the final look, which is very similar to Yalu Dude style. I am pasting each prompt one by one carefully, and after completing this, I will show you the final result. Because once you see the final look, you will be surprised by how amazing and professional all the images look. And boom viewers, now all my images are ready. You can see every image is very clean and uniquely designed. Each image looks very dramatic and professionally created. You can check all gym-style images one by one. And even the background looks perfect. Everything is well-balanced and well-designed. Now what I will do is download all images one by one in 2K quality. Because high-quality images will give you better results in video. And I will save them properly. After saving the images, now let us move to the video section. So let us go. Okay, for video creation, you do not need to move anywhere else. Today, I will teach you how to generate videos using Flow AI because it is 100% free and gives you 50 credits daily. Now what I will do is select my first image which I want to convert into a video. Then I will go to the prompt section and use VO 3.1 Lite for video generation. As you can see, it only takes 10 credits. Which means with 50 daily credits, you can easily create 5 videos of 8 seconds each. This is very powerful for beginners. Now I will copy my video prompt, paste it here, and click on the Generate option. And my first video will start generating. You need to keep some patience because this tool creates very high-quality magical results. As you can see, the video generation has started. Now after waiting, you can see, oh my god, the look of this video is amazing.
Your limits are in your mind. Push beyond them.
And with the voiceover, you can see how smooth and professional the motion is. It is really well created. The animation feels natural and engaging. Now I will select my second image and repeat the same process. I will give it a proper prompt, paste it, and click on Generate. As you can see, the second video has also started generating. After waiting, you can see the second video is also amazing.
I'm ready to work out and achieve a perfect goal.
I am honestly surprised by the quality of visuals, emotions, and voiceover. It is extremely impressive and looks very professional. Now I will select the final image, give it a prompt and click Generate. And now all three videos are ready. So viewers, I want to tell you that Flow AI is one of the best tools for video generation. It is completely free and works great for both image and video creation. Now we will move to another tool called Digen AI, which is also 100% free and gives you 150 credits daily. You simply need to select Real Motion 3.1 Turbo, which is similar to the previous model. I will upload my image, give it a good prompt, and click on Generate. As you can see, my first video has started generating, and it will take around 2 minutes. You need to keep a little patience here, because high-quality results take some time. And just boom, my first video from Digen AI is ready, and you can see the result. It is amazing and even better in some aspects. Now I will select my second image, give it a prompt, and again click on Generate. As you can see, the second video is also generating, and the result is also very good and smooth. Now viewers, we will move to the editing tool. I will simply go to CapCut. After downloading all videos, I want to tell you that both Flow AI and Digen AI are very powerful tools. Now for editing, I will open CapCut and drag all my videos into the timeline. I will arrange them in sequence and decide which clip should come first and which comes later. Then I will trim the clips to make them perfect. And to remove the watermark, I will use the scale option. After scaling, the watermark is removed. And now my final video is ready. You can see everything looks perfect. Now I will export the video and show you the final result.
Your limits are in your mind. Push beyond them. I'm ready to work out and achieve a perfect goal.
You can see the final look. Everything is great and very professional. And my video is completely ready. Now viewers, you can simply upload this video in the shorts section on your channel. And today I showed you a powerful method to create Yalu Dude style shorts. I hope you liked today's video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video with a new idea. Until then, goodbye.